I ask you now, do not stop speaking about Gaza. Do not let the world look away. Keep fighting, keep telling our stories until Palestine is free. So the Greens and I will keep fighting. We will keep speaking out about Palestine. We will never be silenced. Today is the National Day of Action for Palestine. Last year, during this time in Ramadan, I couldn't stop thinking about Palestine. Every moment, fasting, breaking my fast, sleeping, waking, working, Palestine was on my mind. I don't think I will ever be able to forget the horrific images of children being bombed, being sniped, being starved to death. So here we are, another Ramadan. The brief respite Palestinians had was destroyed when Israel broke the ceasefire. Then came the criminal act of cutting off life-saving aid, tightening the noose around the neck of some of the most vulnerable people on earth, followed by the resumed slaughter of hundreds of men, women, and children in just a few days. Just this week, Hamdan Bilal, the Palestinian co-director of Oscar-winning film No Other Land, was abducted and assaulted by settlers. So this Ramadan, I am wiser. I know that there is no red line for Labour when it comes to Palestine. There are no limits to their inhumanity and their cowardice. The level of impunity they provide Israel and its partner, the US, was there for all to see when neither our Prime Minister or Foreign Minister could bring themselves to even denounce Trump's plan to literally, ethnically cleanse Gaza and take it over. I do not know what else I can say to convince you to act. At least 50,000 dead, likely closer to 200,000, mostly women and children. If that's not enough, I don't know what will be. These are the final words of 21-year-old Al Jazeera journalist Hossam Shabath. If you're reading this, it means I have been killed, most likely targeted by the Israeli occupation forces. When this all began, I was only 21 years old, a college student with dreams like anyone else. For the past 18 months, I have dedicated every moment of my life to my people. I documented the horrors in northern Gaza, minute by minute, determined to show the world the truth they tried to bury. I slept on pavements, in schools, in tents, anywhere I could. Each day was a battle for survival. I endured hunger for months, yet I never left my people's side. I ask you now, do not stop speaking about Gaza. Do not let the world look away. Keep fighting, keep telling our stories until Palestine is free.
Authorised by Jay McCall, Australian Greens, Canberra.